Dude, can someone help me out here?
Yeah, I think I know what your problem is. Let me check real fast. Let me just unscrew the oil gun. Oh yeah, you're empty. Let me refill you up real fast, alright? It's always going to get a little around the edges here, so just run right here. I think you're good, man. I think it should run now. You want to try it? Alright.
Dude, someone else help me out. I didn't work.
Yeah. You said your grass eater needs a fixing?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I got just a trick. This here thinking wig always helps me out when I'm dumb. Here, let's try this on. Maybe this will give it a good shot. Give it a whirl. Hey, my fixing wig only works for me. Dadgummit.
Yeah, I think I got it. Maybe take a kickstart. Try it now.
Alright. Let's see if this works. Alright.
I'm trained in first aid. Are you okay? Are you okay? You call 911. He doesn't have a pulse. Not gonna happen.
Oh my gosh. Where's Isty?
Oh, I'm
Isty.
here. Oh, sorry. I'm here.
Come here. What are you trying?